In this next lesson, we're going to be looking at indicators and the chart setup. The indicators we'll be looking at are the MACD, RSI, and volume. And for the chart setup, the overlays, we'll be looking at moving averages and also the Bollinger Bands. So as everybody knows, the chart is the backbone of technical analysis, and determining what you put on that chart in terms of information is obviously very key. The last thing you want to do is have too cluttered of a chart with too much information that makes interpreting that chart more difficult. So there are dozens and dozens of overlays out there. By no means am I saying that these are the only ones you should use. These are the ones that I use the most and I find the most critical for my technical analysis. But by all means, you want to be experimenting, determining your own personal style, and taking it one at a time. If you look at all the indicators at once, you're going to get overwhelmed. But if you take one at a time, watch some YouTube videos, get some education on a specific indicator, it can help you determine whether you want to use it or not. And you can always, use them for a couple weeks and see how they play out and if you like the way that the price reacts to those indicators.